Hi, Sherry with Unita. Let's do a little solid surface sanding today. We have a nice piece of Corian that's pretty rough looking. We're going to start off sanding with our EcoSand 5-inch 3/32 sander. We want a tighter orbit so that we get a better scratch. We kind of tighten up that orbit so we don't see the big swirls. We're going to start out with EcoSilk Plus in 5mm in fine. I am using a vacuum, so you'll see we have the 5-hole system. Let's get started. Two things you'll notice. First, it's a very randomized pattern, and the reason for that is that if you continue to sand in the same direction or the same back and forth, you will see those rows in the finish. We also always want to wipe off the surface to get any leftover grain that may have fallen off of the abrasive before we go to the next grit. So I'm going to wipe this down. I just have a little cotton rag. It's best to use microfiber if you have it available, but any rag will work if that's all you got. So now we're going to change from EcoSilk Plus Fine to EcoSilk Plus Ultra Fine. Again, you saw me randomize my pattern. What we're trying to achieve today is just a matte finish. A lot of people will stop right here, they won't go any further, and it gives you a nice matte finish. You can see the shine starting to pop out. But what I would like to see is these crystals really come out and shine, these particles. So what I do is I take it a little bit further and give you a little bit more pop in that system. So we're going to use the Unilon white. This is a non-woven pad. It has 0 grain. So all it is the nylon fibers that you're using to buff. You can really see the shine once you run over it with the white Unilon pad. This is a matte finish. Some would call it a semi-gloss or a satin, but we call it a matte finish. This is where we started. This was a 220 grit scratch. We've taken it up to a finish now of about a matte to satin finish. If you have any questions on this process, please reach out to us at UNITA. Thanks, and you have a great day.